step kayo, parking nga ito dapat eh. Diba? Let's acknowledge the presence of our guests, our bosses, our VIPs. Mula sa ABS-CBN Star Cinema, joining us tonight, Carmi Raimundo, Head of Creative. Vanessa Valdez, Creative Director, and Leo Garcia, Head of Production. From GMA Pictures, joining us tonight, Attorney Annette Gosling Valdez, GMA Senior Vice President for Programming, Talent Management, Worldwide and Support Group, and the President of GMA Films. Also with us, the first Vice President for Sparkle GMA Artist Center, Joy Marcelo! Also with us, Vice President and Head of Corporate Affairs and Communications, Angel Javier Cruz. And the Senior Talent Manager for Sparkle GMA Artist Center, Tracy Garcia! Siyempre, andito rin mga taga Regal Entertainment, our EVP, Keith Monteverde! Alright, ready na ba kayo? Parang di naman kayo hindi kayo naka-party mo. Ay, ayan na. Also, thank you to our friends from the press na nandito ngayon. Are you guys ready? For the first time, mapapanood natin ang full official trailer of Love You So Bad. Wala pang nagli-leak, wala pang nakakapanood. This is the very first time. Turn around and watch this.
We both have bad taste in men. We deserve better. You deserve better.
I'm Savannah. I live my life the way I want to. I'm intense. When I love too much. He is LA, Mr. Savior.
Kumata, tiwala ka sa akin.
Kate. And he's my adventure. He is Vic, Mr. Sungit.
Kaya ako late eh, nagdrama ka pa kagabi.
Nagdrama ka gabi?
But he's my calm.
Power couple kayo dyan. Such a slut.
Anna, are you falling in love with two men?
Never be a mistake.
Here you are again, saving me.
The whole world needs to know na may lalaking seryoso at nagmamahal sa'yo.
At ikaw yun?
From the breakout stars of 2025, Will Ashley, Dustin Liu, and Bianca De Vera, in a film by the highest-grossing MMFF director, Nick Bruce Alvin.
Tama ba talagang dalawang negative?
Negative times negative. Positive.
Savannah, sa akin naman tingin mo. Gusto mo na ba magtuloy?
Malin.
Tayo.
Tayo?
Love you so bad.
Alam mo, mahal mo ako ba na?
Hirap-tirap sa buhay maganda?
In cinemas Christmas Day.
I love it! Can you guys love it? Grabe. Kanya-kanya ng cheer dito sa Dolphy Theater. And kasi syempre first time na panood eh. So lahat nagulat. We'll be asking the cast for their reactions in a bit. But yung mga nasa team bahay na nanonood ngayon, I want you all to post your comments. I-express nyo yung inyong mga first-hand reactions after watching the trailer for the very first time. And eto na, kakausapin na natin ang ating mga cast members while they're fixing themselves sa ating setup dito sa ating Q&A. And asan yung mga fans na nandito? Meron ba? Ayun! Grabe. Well represented ang ating mga fan clubs. Di ba? Andito silang lahat. Alright. I move over here. Hello! Anong reaction? Ano, kamusta? Parang tulala kayong tatlo ah. Parang tulala kayong tatlo. Will, dito lang ang tingin. Yun lang yung line niya eh.
Speechless po talaga eh, pero grabe, sobrang nakakatuwa na makita in trailer. Grabe kasi yung naging preparation namin, kumbaga lahat ng pagod, lahat ng puyat, lahat ng stress na dinanas namin while shooting this film, para naging worth it talaga eh.
Right.
Dito pa lang sa trailer. So nakakatuwa at gusto talaga. Sobrang grateful lang.
Dustin.
For me, sobrang iba-iba yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. Hindi ko ma-explain, pero one thing is for sure, sobrang saya ng puso ko ngayon. Worth it lahat. At hindi na ako makapaghintay mapanood yung pelikula kasi talagang napakaganda nito. Promise. As in, ayun lang. Wala akong masabi.
Bianca, your very first lead Star Cinema GMA Pictures and Regal Entertainment movie. Anong nasa isip mo? Iiyak na yan.
Grabe, ganito pala pakiramdam maging matupad yung pangarap. Sobrang surreal na moment na to for me. Sir MJ, parang I've waited for this moment my whole life, ever since bata pa lang ako. Syempre, I've always grown up watching Star Cinema movies and of course, seeing our very own trailer. Grabe, apaka-rewarding. And, siguro, I don't know, parang natutuwa lang talaga ako para sa little Bianca na nangarap. I'm so proud of her, and dumating kasi ako sa isang point ng buhay ko, syempre alam ng karamihan before BBB na hindi ko alam kung para sa akin ba yung mga pangarap ko. So, to that old version of Bianca, mag-antay ka lang. Darating ka rin siyan. So, maraming salamat po sa mga taong naniwala po sa akin, and those times wherein I really doubted myself. Star Cinema has been there for me since day one. Sabay sila nangarap kasama ako, and through thick and thin, they've always been there for me. So maraming salamat po to Sir Chris Gasman, of course, Tito Cory, Sir Carlo, of course, Direk May was my first director ever. Now we're here, we have our first movie. And of course, thank you so much to GMA. Thank you to Regal. I know na bago lang po ako sa inyo and wala pa po akong napapatunayan. But thank you for giving me a chance to do this. Thank you for giving me a chance to share my craft with you. It was such an honor, and ayan, maraming salamat po.
Parang tapos na yung press ko no? Hindi pa!
Sorry,
We're just getting
naano ako sa
started.
emotion.
Medyo emotions lang talaga eh. Sige.
Of course, sorry, add ko
Go
lang.
ahead.
Later na lang. Later ko na lang kayo link, no? Kasi baka matapos.
Oo, mamaya na yung thank you sa dalawa. Baka tapusin mo na, Bianca. Wag muna. Okay, relax ka muna dyan.
Sorry.
Papatiin muna natin lahat na makasama natin ngayon sa ating Q&A. Tal, our birthday girl, ikaw muna! Go greet everybody, please.
Hello po, good evening sa lahat, sa mga nandito. Thank you for coming. Tsaka sa mga nanonood sa mga bahay nila. Hello po!
Very ano ka dyan ha? Millennial ang outfit mo, Tal. I know. Rain!
Hello po. Congratulations.
Sweet naman masyado.
Hindi ko rin po alam. First time ko rin po manood ng trailer po
So
namin.
na ano ka rin?
So, ayun po, congratulations po, Bianca, Will, and Dustin. Super grabe yung chemistry nilang tatlo.
Right.
I couldn't imagine. I can't even pick myself. But yun, congratulations po. And I'm super happy to be here. It's also my first Star Cinema movie.
Wow, congratulations, Rain. And of course, the queen of punchlines, Irene Manabat. Ikaw yung mga hilit mo, one-liner mo, Sai, eh. Iba eh.
Ayun po, thank you po sa pagsama sa amin ngayong gabi. Thank you po dahil sinamahan niyo po kami na ma-witness po ng first time din yung trailer. And of course, congratulations Direk May. Congratulations sa inyong tatlo, Dustin, Will, Biancax. And congratulations sa ating lahat and congratulations puro congratulations. And thank you po so much sa lahat po ng kasama po namin dito po sa film. Of course, sa crew.
O, di ba, mali ba ako? Queen of Punchlines, di ba?
Gusto ko na naman
You look
mag-congrats.
amazing, by the way,
Thank you
Sai.
po kahit tinawag niyo po akong Sailor Moon.
I know, parang Sailor Moon. It's giving Sailor Moon. Zach, ikaw naman. Please greet everybody.
Aside from congratulating everybody, I just want to say, Bianca, my gosh, I actually wanted to cry when you teared up and everything. Congratulations to you and to Dustin and to Will, to everyone and the whole production. As in, like seeing you grow, it's amazing.
Thank you, Zach.
Birthday.
Ralph.
Happy birthday, Bianca!
Happy birthday, Bianca. Ralph.
Ngayon, so good evening everyone to our ABS family, our GMA family, and of course our Regal family, at lahat ng Team Bahay. Thank you for tuning in. The night is young. Maraming aabangan dito sa Love You So Bar, so let's party!
So, siya yung party tonight, eh, no? Siya eh. Vince, ikaw naman.
Hello, good evening everyone. Siyempre, congratulations sa ating lahat. At sarap lang sa pakiramdam kasi nakaka-proud tong moment na to. Nung nasa loob kami ng bahay ni Kuya, pinapangarap namin magkatrabaho kami lahat. And ngayon, nandito na kami. Masarap lang sa pakiramdam at sobrang saya lang talaga.
Alright. And of course, our box office director, Direk May!
Hello, good evening po sa lahat ng nanonood sa Team Bahay. Thank you for joining us tonight. To those who are here, our bosses, thank you for gracing this event with us from Regal Films, from GMA Pictures, and of course, Star Cinema and ABS-CBN. And hello everyone, let's have fun tonight.
Let's have fun. Hindi ko na kayo napabati kanina, eh, no? Quick reactions kasi baka if you wanna greet Will, everybody, for coming here tonight sa ating MediaCon.
Yes, of course, maraming salamat po sa inyong oras na inilaan ngayong gabi. Siyempre, para ma-witness yung milestone kung
That's
tatawagin
right.
naming lahat. And sana po mag-enjoy tayo ngayong gabi kasi kaya yung sinabi ni Ralph, nagsisimula pa lang po tayo. Maraming salamat.
The night is young, di ba? Dustin.
Of course, sa lahat ng mga nagbigay talaga ng oras, napaka-special na araw para sa aming lahat. Maraming salamat po. Gusto ko lang din po batiin ng Regal Films, Star Cinema, GMA Network, of course, sa lahat. Maraming salamat. Ito po ay sobrang special na araw para sa amin. At ngayon pa lang, ramdam na po namin yung suporta nyo. So, punong-puno po ng pagmamahal ng mga puso namin. So, maraming salamat.
B?
Ayan, maraming
Huwag mong tapusin, ha? Greet
Kaya
pa lang
nga,
to,
feeling
greet
ko,
pa lang.
tatapusin ko na yan. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po sa oras nyo. And, ayun! Let's enjoy the night!
Ayun, yun ang gusto ko.
Ah,
Okay, simulan na natin.